Let's walk through how to register a used car in California after buying it from a private seller. First, head to the official California DMV website. Just search Register a Used Car in California and look for the link that ends in .gov. Click on it and give the page a second to load. If you bought the car from a private party, not a dealer, you have 10 days to transfer ownership into your name. The seller has 5 days to report the sale to the DMV. To transfer ownership, start with the title. You'll need the pink slip signed by the seller. Their signature should be on line 1 of the title. If the original title is lost or damaged, fill out the REG 227 form. That's the application for replacement or transfer of title. Now, if the person selling you the car isn't the one listed on the title, you'll also need a bill of sale signed by both the seller and the person whose name is on the title. For cars less than 10 years old, you have to include the odometer reading. If there's no space on the title to write it, complete the REG 262 form instead. Both the buyer and seller need to sign that one. Next, you'll need a valid smog certification unless the car qualifies for an exemption. And don't forget to pay the registration fees and use tax. The exact amount depends on the car and where you live. Once everything is filled out, you can either mail your paperwork to the DMV or take it into a field office.